aquaba. So I finally got some fresh turkey berries, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sun dry them and store them for future use. So stay tuned. Greetings and welcome to Healthy with Adwo. So I got myself these berries, and in Ghana we all know that they are called betri, or the fancies will call it amadrudi. Here I go ahead and get the berries off their stalks, okay, and it is something easy, relaxing, and therapeutic to do. Wherever you are watching me from, just let me know what this is called in your local dialect. So I'll go ahead and rinse them carefully. I'll wash it and get rid of everything. I mean everything. Okay, it is very important to get it clean out before you set them ready to be dried. So I'm not using any spinner here as I normally do with my vegetables, but I'm going to lay them on tissue paper. So just a simple plain paper, something that will absorb the water from it. And once they are dry, I will transfer the berries onto a clean tray. Though I removed the bad ones when I was plucking the berries from the stem, I go ahead and do this also when it is cleaned. Okay, because you have just two eyes. Now guys, let's take it to the sun. I'm going to leave it into the sun from morning to evening. To be on the safer side, I check the forecast for the day to make sure that it is going to rain or the sun isn't down. So as you can see, it is evening and this is day one. They are almost ready, but I will go ahead and place them in the sun for roughly 2 to 3 days, depending on what might happen. So day 2, and you can see it is also great. Day 3, and I think I can take them in, but I realized that there were other ones which were not breaking easily, and so I placed it in the sun for another day. Now they are dry, and I'm going to need a funnel, a glass jar with a tight lid. A plastic is okay, but to be on the safer side, a glass jar is okay. So as you can see, they are making this crunchy sound and they are fully dry. Some people do not add the seeds when they are storing it, but I want all the benefits in there. Now let's look at some of its potential health benefits. Well, it may prevent and treat anemia because of its ionic taste. Okay, if you have low blood cell count, this is good for it. It might also help lower blood pressure, may promote healthy immune function, which we need a lot. Okay guys, if you are diabetic, it is also good for you. Now, what are some of the uses? It can be used for making stews, soups, porridges, herbal teas, a lot. Just make sure you take it in a good quantity, the right quantity, because taking too much of it can have a side effect. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ebusiafo impeyi na epe abate. Michiamo mazenza ajojumo wajima henewa. Medase. Bye bye.